I have worked with multiple developers and builders and sold properties worth millions of dollars within just the last 5 years. And these properties are investment properties from other people. These properties have old homes on it. They're just bare land, because in BC, land is worth a lot more than the building, which people don't seem to pay enough attention to. So today I'm going to tell you 2 lots that you want to stay away from. One is the residential side of things, and second is the commercial side of things. These 2 lots are not going to make you enough profit margin, especially if it's for your investment portfolio. Even if you're buying these lots for your own personal use, if you have an option, you want to stay away from these, just because in the future, when you're trying to sell this, you're not going to have enough demand. Whenever you buy properties that have less demand, those are the properties that are on the market for a lot longer, because not that many people are interested. Your audience is low. You want to buy properties which always have abundance of demand, and you have more audience, more eyeballs, more people to look at it, and more opportunity and more profit to your downline. First lot is an irregular lot. Regardless, wherever you buy a property, if this lot is triangular from the back, it is not a lucky lot for a lot of people in a lot of cultures. People don't like that triangular shape in the back, and people just stay away from these lots. A lot of cultural beliefs are also against these shapes, which are a pie-shaped lot from the back. It can be a pie shape from the front. Again, if it's irregular, it's not the best lot, but you definitely want to stay away from a lot which is pie-shaped from the back, which means it has a little corner like this. And the second lot that you want to stay away from is the cul-de-sac lots. Now, oftentimes when people buy the properties for their families, they actually think that cul-de-sac lots are more quiet, it's more peaceful, there's no through traffic, only people who live in that premises will be coming to that. But when you try to sell this, the demand for this is super low, because first of all, the frontage on these properties is very narrow. If you're planning on building a brand new house, it's going to be a very awkward layout. And again, demand for this is here and supply for that is quite high. There's a reason why cul-de-sac lots are either sold at a very big discount or they take a lot longer to sell. And now, if you are an investor and you're purchasing properties hoping that a developer will buy this off you, one type of property which is not going to make enough profit regardless of how valuable that land can be. If you are buying into a land assembly is when there's 4 to 5 homes that come together, they have a price, they ask for a premium. There's oftentimes when you can build townhouses, low-rise, high-rise on these properties. But one type of property you want to stay away from, if you are purchasing as an investor with multiple other investors, you do not want to buy a property that's next to a brand new house. Now, what happens is when you try to buy these properties now, and let's say you are hoping to do a land assembly in the next 10 years, the brand new home's valuation in the owner's head would be a lot higher than your house, because your house will be just for the land value. However, the person who is next to you who just built a brand new house would always expect a lot more than anyone else in the block, because he put a brand new house on it. And when it comes to do a land assembly, and when it comes to actually sell these properties to developers, oftentimes people who are next to this brand new home will have a very hard time, because no one's going to give the premium that this person is expecting, unless they're expecting the same amount of money as you. Oftentimes, I have sold land assemblies in Guildford area in Surrey. I've sold land assemblies in Fleetwood area of Surrey, and we've had these problems, and the owners that are usually next to this brand new home have a very challenging time selling their properties. So if you're planning on investing into a property, you want to make sure they're rectangular properties. You want to make sure they're away from brand new homes, especially when you're buying a property in the hope of doing a land assembly in the future.